Chaos Rising drop, 6:06 a.m. arrival, 54 minutes in line, 2 thrilled children, 1 confused dad, 8 Pokemon products, $230-ish dollars, 1 million memories.
Are you excited?
Chaos Rising, Chaos Rising.
Lucas, you excited?
I'm so excited. Cardboards, 2 packs, 2 booster ones.
I guess. Whatever, 2 of whatever's available.
I got over things over here.
$235.37. Okay. No, these are the last 2 of these ones.
We got so lucky.
All right, get your bag.
Have a good day. Hi, would you like a bag? Yes.
How excited are you?
Super excited.
All right, what did we get?
We got a bunch of Chaos Rising Pokemon today.
When did they come out?
Today.
What time did we get there?
5 a.m. 6 a.m.
6 a.m. All right, let's see what we got. Take it out. What do you think of your haul?
Amazing. We got every single one in it.
It was worth getting up in the morning?